Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Here I am Kritika Dishit. Welcomes you all in the video solution of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 5th conducted on 29th October 2023 shift 2nd. So here we are going to discuss the solution of all the parts. Before starting the solution of part 1st mathematics, let me remind you, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon because every updates related to Olympiad paper will be going to share on this channel only. So do not forget to subscribe. Let's move on to the first question of this paper. The longest line segment in the following figure is. So here we have to find out the longest line segment in the following figure. Out of these four options, we can say that option D is the correct answer, as AF is the longest line segment in the following figure. Second is, an angle measures 360 degrees is called a zero angle, a straight angle, a reflex angle, or a complete angle. So, an angle measures 360 degree is called a complete angle. Here, option D is the correct answer. Now, let's start the next question. Question number 3. If the difference of two complementary angles is 30 degree, then the angles are. So, here we have to find out the two angles. And we know that complementary angles are those angles in which sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. So, here let's begin with the solution. Let the larger angle is equal to x, then the other angle is equal to x minus 30. So, first angle is x and the next angle is x minus 30. So, here according to question, x plus x minus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Let's find out the value of x here. So here the value of x is 60 and the value of another angle is x minus 30. It means 60 minus 30, that is equal to 30 degree. So our two angles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So here option D is the correct answer. Now in the next question, question number 4. When it is 10:30, what kind of angle is formed by the hands of the clock? So here we can see that the hands of the clock forms an angle which is more than 90 degree, and the angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. So here option B is the correct answer, that is obtuse angle. Now the next question is question number 5. What is the product of 100 and 10? So here we have to find out the product of 100 and 10. So by multiplying 100 by 10, we get 1000. So here, according to option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 6. Ram bought a computer for rupees 72,863. There was a defect in that computer, so he sold it for rupees 4,725. What is his loss? So we have to find out the loss. So here we know the cost price of that computer and we know that computer was sold for rupees 4,725. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 4,725 from 72,863. So after subtraction, we get 68,138. So this is the total loss that Ram had. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 7. Neha distributes 12 bananas equally among 4 monkeys. How many bananas does each monkey get? So this is a very simple question. So here Neha is distributing 12 bananas equally among 4 monkeys. So what we are going to do? We have to simply divide 12 by 4. After division we get 3. It means that every monkey will get 3 bananas. So here option D is the correct answer. The next question is question number 8. The cost of a chair is rupees 315. Find the cost of 27 such chairs. So we have to find out the total cost of 27 chairs. Let's multiply 315 by 27 to get the total costing of 27 chairs. So here after multiplication we get 8,505. So this is the total amount of 27 chairs. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 9. Which option shows the first 3 common multiples of 3, 6 and 4? So here let's write down the multiples of 6 first, as 6 is the greatest number among these 3 numbers. So by writing the multiple of 6, as we can compare the multiples of 3 and 4 in this table only. So here let's start with the 6. Is 6 comes in the table of 3 and 4? It comes in the table of 3 but not in the table of 4. 12, yes, 12 is in the table of 3 and 4 also. Let's begin with the next. 18 comes in the table of 3 but not in the 4. 24 comes in both the table, or we can say that it is divisible by both, or 3 and 4 are the factors of 24. Now next 30, no. 36, yes. 36 comes in the table of 3 and 4 both. 12, 24 and 36 are the 3 common multiples of 3, 6 and 4. So let's check the answer. Option A is having 12, 24, 36. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question, question number 10. In question number 10, we have to select the correct statement. A composite number is any number that has less than 2 factors. So is this statement true? No. A composite number is any number that has more than 2 factors. So this statement is false. Next is a composite number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So this statement is also false, because composite number has more than 2 factors, and the factors having 1 and itself is known as the prime number. So this statement is also false. Next is a composite number is any number that has more than 2 factors. Yes, this statement is true. And the last one is a prime number is any number that has more than 2 factors. So this statement is also false. So according to question, the correct statement is option C. So here option C is the correct answer. Now question number 11. In this question, we have to find out which of the following shows the factors of 28. So let's write down the factors of 28 and then check in which option that factors are there. So factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So these are the factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Let's check the option. Option A is having 1, 2, 3, 5, 12. So this is not the correct option. Next we have B option 7, 14, 21. This is also not the correct one. Option C is 2, 7, 14, 18. This is also not the correct option. And the last option is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So here option D is the correct answer, because it is having all the factors of 28. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 12. Newport Mall has a painting exhibition on every fourth day. Bellevue Mall has a painting exhibition on every fifth day. On what day will both the malls have a painting exhibition? So we have to find out a common date for these malls. So here what we are going to do, we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 5 here. So here LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So on the 20th day, these two malls will have the exhibition on the same day. So option B is the correct answer. Let's start with the next question, question number 13. In this question, we have to find out the side of a square whose area is 36 square centimeters. So we know the area of the square. What is area of a square? That is side into side. So area is given to us, that is 36 square centimeter. Side we have to find out. So square root of 36 is equal to side. So here side is equal to 6. So here the value of side is equal to 6 centimeter. Here out of these 4 options, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question. Is question number 14. Find the parameter of the given figure. We have to find out the parameter of this given figure, and we know that this figure is an irregular figure. So to find out the parameter of irregular figure, we have to add all the sides. So here what we are going to do, we have to find out the parameter of this irregular figure by adding all the sides. So sum of all sides is 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 12 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. Let's count all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So we have written all the sides. Let's calculate it. 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 12 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. So after calculation, we get 49 centimeter. So 49 centimeter is the parameter of this irregular shape. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 15. Find the area of rectangle if length and breadth of the rectangle are 32 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. So here we have to find out the area of a rectangle, and we know that area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So here we have to multiply 32 and 50, and after multiplication we get the product as 1600 centimeter square. So according to the question, here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 16. Find the cost of fencing a square field of side 16 meter at the rate of rupees 10 per meter. So here we have to find out the parameter of a square field first. So here the parameter is equal to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side is 16. So here Answer is 64 meter. So 64 meter is the parameter of a square field. Now we have to find out the costing. So cost of fencing is 64 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 640 rupees. So 640 rupees is the total cost of fencing a square field. Now here, according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now in the next question, question number 17. In this question, we have to find the volume of cuboid with the length 6 cm, breadth 4 cm and height 2 cm. So here what we have to do? We have to find out the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let's put the value. 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. So after calculation, we get 48 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cuboid with the length 6 cm, breadth 4 cm and height 2 cm is 48 cm. So here option D is the correct answer. Now for the next question, question number 18, we have to find out the correct option. So here in option A, we have volume is equal to length into breadth. So this is the incorrect formula. Next option B is height is equal to volume upon length multiplied by breadth. So yes, this is the correct formula, as we know that volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And to find out height, what we are going to do, we are transposing length and breadth to the left hand side, and that will be in the division part. So to find out the height, we use the formula volume upon length multiplied by breadth. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 19. Convert 4 liter into cubic centimeter. It means we have to convert liters into centimeters. So here we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So here if we multiply both the side with 4, we will get 4 liter equal to 4000 centimeter cube. So here we have option D, the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 20. A fish tank 45 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 20 centimeter is full of water. How many liters of water is there in the fish tank? So we have to find out the total number of water in the fish tank. So here let's find out the volume of the tank first. Here the volume of the tank is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, because the tank is in the cuboidal shape. So here 45 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 20 is 9000 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of the fish tank. Here we have to convert this centimeter cube into liters now to find out how many liters of water is there in the fish tank. So here we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So we are multiplying by 9 on both the sides. Here we get 9000 centimeter cube equal to 9 liter. So we can say that option A is the correct answer. So let's solve the column 1 and then match the answer with column 2. Let's solve first part. P is 109 plus 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. divide by 7 plus 3 minus 2. This is 7 plus 2, 9. Here 109 plus 8 is 117. Divide by 9 gives us 13. So here answer is 13. Now let's solve the next one. 16 plus 7 is 23 plus 20 divided by 5 is 4 minus 2. So here 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. So the next answer is 25. Now let's solve the last one. 29 minus 44 divided by 4 is 11 plus 6. So here 29 minus 11 plus 6 is 24. So here the sequence is 3, 1, 2. So 3, 1, 2 is in the B option. Here option B is the correct answer. Let's solve question number 22. In this question, we have to match the correct area in column 1 with column 2. So here, let's calculate the area first. And in column 1, it is written that 1 square is equal to 1 square unit. So the area of 1 small square is 1 square unit. It means side of square is 1. And in column 2 also, we have 1 square is equal to 1 square unit. It means the side of a square is 1. So let's calculate the area. So here the area of P part is 9 square unit. Next one is 7 square unit. And the last one is 8 square unit. So column 1 we have completed. Now let's check column 2. Here it is 8 square unit. Here we have 9 square unit. And the last one we have 7 square unit. Now let's match the area in column 1 with the same area in column 2. So here these two are same. This is same and the correct sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here 2, 3, 1 is in the D option. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 23. We have to match the column here. In column 1, it is the intersection of two planes is. So intersection of two planes is known as straight lines. Next is example of parallel line is railway lines. Number of points lying on a line is countless. So here the sequence is 3, 2, 1. So according to the option, 3, 2, 1 is the correct answer and here option B is the correct one. Now let's start the next question. Question number 24. Which of the following statements are true or false? Now we have to find out which statement is true and which is false out of these three statements. Now let's begin with the first statement. Two parallel lines intersect each other at a point. So this statement is false because two parallel lines never intersect each other. Next is two line segments may intersect at 2 points. This is also a false statement because two line segments may intersect at a single point. Now the next is, if two lines intersect at a point P, then P is called the point of intersection of the two lines. So this is true. So here the sequence is false, false, true. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 25. In this question also we have to state which statement is true and which is false. So here the first statement is the volume of the solid is measured in square units. So here the volume of a solid is measured in a square unit? No, this statement is false because volume of solid is measured in cubic units. Next is the amount of shape occupied by an object is known as volume. Yes, this statement is true. The next one is we can find the volume of a 2D shape. This statement is false because we can find out the area of the 2D shape, not the volume. So here the sequence is false, true, false. So here false, true, false is in option D. So here D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26, and in this question also we have to state which statement is true and which is false. Let's start with the first statement. All natural numbers are either prime or composite. So this statement is false because natural numbers start from 1 and 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So this statement is false. Next is a number having only 2 factors is called a prime number. Yes, this statement is true because prime numbers are those numbers which are having only 2 factors. Next is an even number can never be a prime number. So this statement is false because even number is 2 also and 2 is a prime number. So this statement is not true. So here sequence is false, true, false. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is based on the paragraph, and here it is written, Monica found an old wooden doll house in the attic. She wants to get it fixed and decorated. Before she buy supplies, she need to make some measurements in order to find out what supply she needs. Measurement is finding the amount or size something. There are many different kinds of measurements and various ways to measure it. But in Monica's case, she will be looking for the perimeter of house and area of the doll house main gate. So here we have to find out the perimeter of Monica house. So this is the house and we have to find out the perimeter. We know that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So here 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29 and 29 plus 10 is 39. So here 39 is the correct answer, that is in option B. Now here in question number 28. In question number 28, let's see what is the next thing Monica wants. Find out the area of Monica doll house main gate. So here we have to find out the area of the Monica's gate. So here length and breadth of the main gate is given to us, that is 5 and 2. So here the area is L into B. We get 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10. So here 10 square unit is the area of the Monica's doll house main gate. So option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 29. This is based on the paragraph, and here the information is the school offers you and your friends an opportunity to purchase a tree sampling in support of grade 5 students planting activity, which will promote tree planting practices among students and thus improve our environment. There are 32 boys and 30 girls in the grade 5th. So here we have to find out 29th question that is based on this information. So here in 29th question, we have to find out the HCF of 32 and 30. Let's find out the HCF. 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So the HCF is the highest common factor. Here common factor is 2. So the HCF is 2. So out of these 4 options, we have option B, the correct answer. Now, question number 30 is the last question of this part. So let's begin with the solution of this question. Find the LCM of 32 and 30. So here let's find out the LCM. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, and 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So here this is common. LCM is equal to so here 2 multiplied by 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 3 multiplied by 5, which gives us 480. So the LCM of 30 and 32 is 480. So here A is the correct answer. I hope you all understood all the solutions of this part. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MO paper solution of class 5th, part 2nd, science as well as shift 2nd. For more details or for more informations regarding the MO of exams, subscribe our channel. Now we will start from the question number 31st. Our 31st question is, webbed feet is an adaptation in. Webbed feet basically the feet which are found in aquatic birds. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question is, what does the term ectothermic means? Ectotherm means those organisms which can regulate their temperature according to the environment, by the environment. So our correct option will be the temperature of an organism is regulated by the environment. So our correct option will be option B. Next question is, mammals, fishes, birds, reptiles and amphibians, all are these belongs to the vertebrates because they have spinal cord as well as notochord. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question, animals and birds move from one place to another in groups. What is this movement? Basically, these animals and the birds move in the place for the fertilization as well as the for food as well as shelter. So our correct answer will be migration. So C option will be correct. Next question is, male reproductive part of a flower is known as anther and filaments. These are given in option A as well as C, and the correct answer will be our option D, both A and C. Next question is, fusion of pollen grain with ovule. The fusion of male as well as the female gamete is known as fertilization. So our correct answer will be option B. Next one is, dash have a specialized tissue of stem that have buds which grow into a new plants. This method is basically found in turmeric. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question is, platypus and echinidia lay eggs, though these belongs to the class, that class is known as mammals. So our correct answer will be option A. Next one is, planaria reproduce by which type of asexual reproduction? Planaria basically belong to the A group, and that will be follow the regeneration method of asexual reproduction. So correct answer will be option A. Next question is, what is a fertilized egg is called as? The fertilized egg is known as embryo. So correct answer will be option A. For more details or for more information regarding the MO of exam, subscribe our channel. You will get every notification as early as possible updated on this channel. Our next question will be, the amount of space each thing occupies is called is, that space is known as volume. So our correct answer will be option A. Next question. There are dash states of matter. These are the basically three states of a matter: solid, liquid and gas. So our correct answer will be option A. Next question is sugar will be dash in water. Sugar is soluble in water. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question is the heavy particles that settle down are known as the heavy particles which are settles down in a structure or in at a time of when we settling them mixing with each other, they are known as sediments. So our correct answer will be option C. Our next question is dash is the energy of an object has because of change in its motion or its position. This kind of energy is known as mechanical energy. So our correct option will be option A. Next question. Electric gadget work because of which kind of energy will be helpful for the electric gadget for working? That energy is known as electrical energy. So our correct option will be option B. Next question is our main source of energy is the main source of energy for every living organism, that is sun, and which provides the vitamin D also. So our correct option will be sun. Next question. Canning, dehydration and pickling are the methods of dash food. These are the preservatives for the and helpful for the preservation of the food. So our correct option will be option A. Next question. Kwashiorkor occurs because of deficiency dash in the diet. It is a kind of deficiency disease, and that deficiency of the proteins occurs or take place in the kwashiorkor. And there is also a protein deficiency disease that is known as marasmus. So our correct answer will be option C. Next one is butter, carrot, milk, tomato are good source of. These are the source of vitamin A. And the deficiency of vitamin A basically causes night blindness. For more information or for more details, subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 29 October 2023 in shift 2nd. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Find the missing number which will complete the given series. So series is 18, 22, 30, 42, missing number, and last term is 78. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is 18 plus 4, it means 22. Now 22 plus 8, it means 30. Now 30 plus 12, it means 42. Plus 4 plus 8 plus 12, now plus 16. So 42 plus 16, it means 42 plus 16, it means 58. So here missing term is 58. So correct answer is option C. So option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Find the missing number which will complete the given series. So series is 10, 20, 10, 20, 31, missing number. Next is 56 and last term is 70. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is 10 to 20, it means plus 10. 20 to 31, it means plus 11. Plus 10 plus 11, now plus 12. So 31 plus 12, it means 43. So missing number is 43. So 43 plus 13, it means 56. Now 56 plus 14, it means 70. So here missing term is 43. It means option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Find the missing letter in the given series. So series is A, B, E, missing alphabet Q and Z. So position of A in English alphabet is 1. Position of B in English alphabet is 2. Position of E in English alphabet is 5. Position of Q in English alphabet is 17. Position of Z in English alphabet is 26. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is 1 to 2. It means plus 1. 2 to 5. It means plus 3. Plus 1 plus 3. Now adding plus 5. It means 5 plus 5. It means 10. So 10 means J. So missing alphabet of this alphabet series is J. Now 10 plus 7, it means 17. Now 17 plus 9, it means 26. Adding plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So missing alphabet is J. So here option B is the correct answer of this series. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Vivek walked 2 km north, took a right turn and walked 1 km. Then he took a left turn and walked 2 km. In which direction is he facing now? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. One is east and this one west. This is north and this is south. And there are 4 cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest and this is northwest. So according to question, Vivek walked 2 km north. So Vivek walked 2 km towards north direction and then took a right turn and walked 1 km. Took a right turn and walked 1 km. Now then he took a left turn. And walked 2 km. In which direction is he facing now? So find the final facing of the Vivek. So Vivek final facing of the Vivek is in north direction. So answer is option A. So answer of the question is north. So it means option A is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. Mohan started walking straight facing west. After walking a distance of 16 meter, he took a left turn. After walking 12 meter, he took a left turn again and covered 8 meter distance. Which direction is he facing now? So according to question, Mohan started walking straight towards west direction. After walking a distance of 16 meter, after 16 meter, he took a left turn. And walking 12 meter. And then he took a left turn. And then again he took a left turn and covered 8 kilometer. And covered 8 meter. So which direction is he facing now? So find the final facing of the Mohan. So Mohan final facing is in east direction. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. Rahul ranked 7th place from the top and 26th place from the bottom and in a class. How many students are there in the class? So according to question, Rahul ranks from the top is 7th and 26th place from the bottom. So Rahul's ranks from the bottom side is 26. So how many students are there in the class? Find the total number of students in this class. So find the total number of students in this class. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Rahul is 7 and right position of the Rahul is 26 minus 1. So 7 plus 26, it means 33 minus 1. So it means 32. So there are 32 total students in this class. So it means answer is, correct option is option B. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 57. What is the value of the given expression by using BODMAS rule? So B means bracket, O means order or power, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. So expression is 32 multiplied by 2 plus 40 divided by 8 minus 52. So using BODMAS rule in this expression, so first divide the numbers. So 32 multiplied by 2 plus 40 divided by 8, it means 5 minus 52. Now multiply the numbers. So 32 multiplied by 2, it means 64 plus 5 minus 52. So 64 plus 5, it means 69 minus 52. So 69 minus 52, it means 17. So value of this expression is 17. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. Select the correct mirror image of the given combination of letters if the mirror is placed at the line AB. So position of mirror at the line AB. So find the mirror image of DKJM. So first find the mirror image of N because M is near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of M. So mirror image of N look like this. Now find the mirror image of J. So mirror image of J look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of K. So mirror image of K look like this. Now find the mirror image of D because D is away from the mirror. So it will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of D look like as follows. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question number 59. Find the correct voter image of the given word A and T. So find the voter image of A and T. So find the voter image of A. So voter image of A look like as follows. Now find the voter image of N. So voter image of N look like this. Now find the voter image of T. So voter image of T look like as follows. So here option B is the correct voter image of A and T. So right answer is option B. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. A square transparent sheet X with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. Find the figure from the option as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. So find the folded figure. When the given figure is to be folded along the dotted line, then the figure look like as follows. So look like as follows, it means option C. So option C is the correct folded figure of the given figure X. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So thank you everyone.